Welcome. Within Badvisor, we try to provide all the necessary tools to work as efficiently as possible. Sandbox is one of the tools we use the most in pre-production, where we import and test many of the assets before importing them into our final scene. Directly in your dashboard, scroll down to the Tools sections and click on Sandbox. A new tab will pop up on your browser, and here you will have almost the same layout as in your scenes. The biggest difference is that you cannot save any project, but you can import all your 3D assets and do all the changes that you want. Once you are happy with the result, you can export the asset directly as GLB with all the changes applied and imported in your project. You can also download the file as USDZ if you want to use it for augmented reality. Thanks for watching.